at 13:15. Cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly is delayed by 19 minutes. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Passengers board Southampton Airport Parkway. Your next fastest direct service is now expected to be the 13:32.
Episode natin ngayon, mag-train tayo dito sa pumunta tayo ng London. It's been a long time po na hindi tayo train. 20 years ago 20 years ago when I was using the train here in England. Sarap mag-fishing. Tayo nakarelax na pumunta ng London nang hindi tayo gumamaniyo. Makakatain tayo para makapag-video dito sa train. Natalagay po tayo hindi na ganun 20 taon bago tayo sumakay ng train ulit. So malaki na rin po improvement itong train na to, tsaka mabilis. Para na papuntang Laguna to.
Too easy to take the train to your home in London, right, Jaylon?
Exactly.
Kaya na po mga
It was spring.
mais.
Don't worry.
Ito yung pupuntang Winchester po ang next stop. Ilang oras mabiyahin to? Ilang oras
1 hour and a half.
Ayun na pala po biyahin.
Andun na tayo ng 10.
Bala ka na nilagman na yung sasakyan. May isang oras ka lahati rin po pala. Bala ka na nilagman na yung sasakyan.
Oo, pero ano? Walang stress.
Wala kang ano ito.
Wala kang naalalang congestion charge. Wala kang naalalang parking.
Wala pang ganun. Tsaka yung ano po, napaupo ka lang.
Traffic kaya?
Wala kang traffic. May traffic eh. Tsaka yung kung ano, yung sa kung may sasakyan ka, hindi pwedeng hindi ka mag-i-stop over. Siyempre kakain.
Gagastos ka pa daw.
Gagastos ka rin doon. Kaya kung sa gasolina, gagastos ka pa rin. Ang ano nga lang kalaban mo rito, yung maglalakad-lakad ka. Lakad ka na lakad, siyempre. Nakainit ka sa pangalawang istasyon pala po. Parang isa pa.
Ano to? Fast track.
susunod na station, ano, wala. Nakita niyo po
If you wanna go to France, we can rent with this one and then St. Pancras.
Enough, enough.
Lalo na.
I'm already bored in London.
We're getting bored now.
Don't be fed up.
Not
We
this,
move on a little
move a
bit.
little bit.
Not that all the time. When you were little, you will go everywhere. But,
My dreams are filled.
well, it's fulfilled. We're going again. I'm talking and move on to a different place. They could see the other places from.
Okay.
So we're gonna go with the train. This is the what's that? Eurostar.
Yala natin.
It's only 2 hours.
Let's be quite enjoy our journey.
I'm trying to
Give
figure
me a
out.
laugh. Enjoy.
Okay. Ayan na, they are in Italy at the moment.
Do you see the leaning tower of Pisa and the Colosseum?
Yeah. And they've been to Switzerland as well.
Switzerland?
Yeah.
And international?
Yeah. But then we could go by train from there. We could go by train. But the last time we went to Barcelona, we didn't really. Ay, nag-crack yung screen niya lang o yung mismong ano na
Screen lang.
Dunno.
basic stuff.
Yes, that's breaking stuff. To my new home. Yeah, there's 2 of them, don't worry.
Yes. I thought you put something.
Wala po masyadong pasahero. Pasahero. Kaya, masalahan pa rin. Tara natin. Is the light. Please relax po tayo ngayon. Kasi wala, hindi tayo na ng sasakyan. Kasi kung may dala kang sasakyan, siyempre, masagot tayo, nasa Malibela tayo, hindi tayo mag-video. Hindi tayo makakapag-ano po guys. Makikita sa inyo ng mga views. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa train. Coast number 410. So ilang pong station pa na alam natin bago dumating London. Wala masyadong pasero po. Mapapansin nyo wala. 20 taon. Bago tayo ulit nakasakay dito. Yun guys, makikita ko lang sa inyo yung toilet dito. Ayan, ito yung toilet ng Cherry. Piling ng train, marulun sa plano. Hindi tayo magtutoilet. Nasa din sa plano po guys. Ayan. Buka natin na tatawid tayo. Hindi po natin alam kung anong lugar na to, pero palagi ko lampas na tayo ng basing stock. So, lampas na tayo. Or basing stock pa lang, pupunta pa lang ito ng basing stock. Anong oras na? Isang oras na eh. Parang ilang station lang pala papuntang ano, London. Kasi nag-stop na po tayo na 4 beses eh. So may mga station na nilalampasan po. Siguro ibang ruta yan. Train po naman sa kasalubong natin. Haba oh. Lumipat po tayo ng upuan kasi may dito sa kabila. Nakakapag-charge tayo rito. May charger po rito. Charge tayo.